Can you remove your face mask? Or are you allergic to anything?
My wife is sick, Your Honor, so I'm just making sure.
All right. Despite repeated invitations coming from this committee, bakit ngayon ka lang nag-appear?
Your Honors, the first one was I was represented by my lawyers. The second one, Your Honors, we did not honestly receive the subpoena.
You did not?
We did not receive, Your Honors, the subpoena.
Okay, where are you connected right now?
I'm just doing my own business, Your Honor, private.
Okay, do you confirm that you were hired as a consultant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of whom?
Of Hongxing, Your Honor, and Lucky South.
Yung Bamban Pogo?
Yes, Your
You're
Honor.
connected?
As an authorized representative
Porac.
at the time. Yes, Your Honors.
Also Porac?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lawag?
Lawag, Your Honors, was also requested by Lucky South, Your Honors.
Aside from these three Pogos, meron pa bang iba?
None, Your Honors.
Did you sign a contract with them?
No, Your Honors.
Ano yung duration ng services mo doon?
Just for their application for license, Your Honor. Contracted for that.
What initially attracted you to become to be involved in the Pogo industry?
We, honestly, Your Honors, we were not even in that line.
Excuse me?
We were not in that line.
You are not?
We're not in that line of work, Your Honors.
How did you become a consultant there?
When we were looking for a site office in Pampanga, Your Honors, because we were being asked to help one municipality in Central Luzon with their bid for cityhood, we got across these people in Lucky South at that time, and they were connected to us by the area where we were looking for the office, and they said they were trying to find somebody who can help them work on their applications. So we said we don't know what it's all about. And they said we can help them look into their documents and everything. We said we will check first if we can help you, and then we'll get back to you. So that's what we did first, sir. And then when we check on all these things, we did the research. We found a checklist from the website of PAGCOR, and we gave it to them. And we told them, this is just the checklist. Maybe you just have to comply, and then you're okay. And they said, can you help us comply? I said, I don't know how to do it, but if you know the documentation there, it's very easy. If you have all these requirements, I suppose we just put it together and then submit it. So that's what we did, Your Honors.
Okay. How much was your income or professional fee?
It's
Doon sa tatlong Pogo na nahawakan mo?
on a per work basis, Your Honors, we were they paid us based on man hours that we have.
Magkano? Brown out. May nakatapak siguro ng wiring dyan.
Mr. Cunanan, please proceed.
Also, it's a man hour on a base of man hour consultancy work, sir. Parang based on an hour basis na dinivote namin, tapos yung milestones pag may natatapos ko kami.
Okay, specifically, magkano kinita mo rin sa Bamban Pogo?
Dun sa Bamban, sir,
Magkano yung consultancy fee mo dyan?
if we're not, sir, as we have reported, it's about 150,000, sir.
150,000
Peso, sir.
per month?
Nung tinapos namin, sir, yung trabaho.
Ilan months ka nag-consultancy doon?
Mga 3 months siguro namin, sir, tinrabaho lahat yan hanggang 4 months, parang ganun.
As a consultant, ano ginagawa mo doon? You
Pinapakita,
prepare what?
sir, hindi
May
lang
kinakausap ka sa PAGCOR?
wala, sir. Ang nangyari, sir, meron sila kasing mga group nila. So, for example, yung nakikipag-usap sa amin, parang translator, pinapakita niya kung yun yung mga requirements nga na nakalagay doon. Yung, kung yun nga yung SEC, kung yun nga yung kanilang, organizational business plan, etc. So, nung tulungan namin sila, sir, ma-identify yun at yun nga yung kailangan nilang i-submit. Nagpa-assist sila kung pwedeng kami mag-submit sa Manila for them. That's why we were there.
Meron kang sariling consultancy firm?
Yes, sir.
So, yung meron kayong kontrata?
Hindi na kami, sir, nag-engage into a contract kasi sabi nila they cannot afford a full contract based on our consultancy.
Sino kausap mo doon sa Bamban Pogo?
Doon sa Bamban, sir, may a certain VV Chen.
What's the name?
VV Chen po. VV,
Chinese?
Chinese po siya na translator.
Do you think she's related with Mayor Go?
I'm not aware, Your Honors, but she was the one coordinating with us.
Wala kayong kontrata?
Wala
Kasulatan?
po, wala
Ano,
po.
verbal lang?
Ang nangyari, Your Honors, when they contracted us, we checked with the local government kung investor nga sa lugar nila yon, and then the mayor at that time verified and
Who
assured
was
us.
the mayor at the time?
Mayor John Feliciano, Your Honors, verified and told us that these are investors in his municipality and if they can be assisted.
Kailan ka pa nagtayo ng consultancy firm?
We started 2017, Your Honors.
2017?
Yes, Your Honors.
Alright. Doon sa Porac, how much were you paid?
Almost the same, Your Honors.
Almost the same.
Yes,
Sa
Your Honor.
Lawag.
Hindi ko kami
O,
lumayo.
sino kausap mo sa Porac?
Yung sa Porac ko, Charlotte Sia, Your Honors.
Also a Chinese national?
Yes, Your Honors. And apparently her Chinese name is Han Gao. Parang Han Gao.
Lawag.
Sila rin po, Your Honors.
Sino sila?
Si Han Gao, dun sa...
Yung Sia?
Yes, Your Honors.
So, yung Porac tsaka Lawag, isa lang ang nagpapatakbo?
Yeah,
Am I correct?
Yung Lawag, Your Honors, hindi umandar.
Ano?
Hindi po umandar. Hindi
Sa Lawag, hindi umandar.
Hindi nag-operate, Your Honors.
Alright. So, hindi ka nabayaran doon? Walang...
I think they paid us 50,000 for having the license for that, Your Honors.
Okay,
if I'm
ano
not
naman yung
mistaken.
trabaho mo bilang consultant? Ikaw ba yung naglalakad ng papeles nila para sa permit?
In-
At ikaw ba marahil kumakausap sa mga government agencies bilang nakapag-establish ka na rin siguro ng mga contract sa loob ng gobyerno?
Actually, Your Honors, it's more on reviewing their communications na nakakarating sa kanila para maintindihan ho nila kung tama nga o hindi. Tapos, we help them with their replies kung paano nila sasagutin, and then they're the ones who submitted.
Di ba para lumalabas na fixer ka?
I'm not fixing anything, Your Honors, because at that time also, if we can remember, Your Honors, during the times that all these documents, all these requirements were being worked out, we were under pandemic and we cannot even do any face-to-face with anybody, Your Honors, much of that.
Because according to the chairman of PAGCOR, si Chairman Tenko, during the previous Senate hearing, pinagkatiwalaan kayo ni Cassandra Lee Ong. Do you know her?
Yes, Your Honors.
At kayo raw ang authorized representative na pinagbigyan ng 6 months na buwis nila sa PAGCOR. Tama ba? How did you know Cassandra Lee Ong?
She was one of the employees there, Your Honors,
Of?
Lucky South.
Na involved sa Pogo?
Yes, Your Honors.
Sa Porac to, no?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. What can you say about the statement of PAGCOR chair?
Your Honors,
Na kinubra mong pera na Lucky South
we
99?
strongly deny that, Your Honors, because if
Hindi mo raw binayad sa PAGCOR?
even for the sake of arguments, Your Honors, if you will look at 6 months, 6 months is 150 per month, after $50,000 per month. That's not even supposed to be $500,000. That's supposed to be about $900,000. And when we parted ways with Lucky South, Your Honors, we parted ways well. I left them June of 2023 because at that time, after the meeting with PAGCOR, where they called for an executive meeting among Pogo operators, where I represented Lucky South at that time as an authorized representative, they already came out with the new guidelines. And the new guidelines specifically mentioned about authorized representative being already as liable as key officers.
If I may, SP Pro Temp, interject. Dagdag lang sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp.
Opo, ma'am.
Actually, iginigiit din ni Attorney Roque na tinakbo niyo yung pera ng Lucky South 99. Totoo po ba yon?
No, ma'am.
To ask a
No,
second
no.
time?
Because up until now, ma'am, I just heard about it during the Senate hearing. Your Honor.
So, tinatanggi nyo rin yung sinabi ni Attorney Roque.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are opposing what he said.
Yes, ma'am. Because up till now, ma'am, if I suppose that could have happened, there are only two things that will happen to me. Either I'm dead by now, or I might be dead by now with that amount, or two, I might have a court case already somewhere happening. But there's nothing of that effect, Madam Chair.
Attorney Roque, ginigiit nyo pa rin ba na tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan yung pera ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po nanggaling sa akin yan. Yan po isang ayon doon kay Cassie Ong. Kaya ko nga po siya
so si
sinamahan.
Cassie Leong ang
Siya
nagsabi,
po ang nagsabi.
na
Kaya
tinakbo
po-
ni Mr. Cunanan.
Oho. At ang totoo po niyan-
Teka po. So si Cassie Leong ang ayon or nagsabi na
Tama po yan.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan ang pera ni Cassie Leong sa Lucky South 99.
Hindi po niya pera, yung pambayad sa PAGCOR.
Of course, that's
ng
what I
Lucky
mean.
South.
So,
Opo.
tinakbo ni Mr. Cunanan, yung binanggit din ni Mr. Cunanan ngayon lamang na 6 na buwang buwis ng Lucky South 99.
Yan po ay isang ayon kay Cassie Ong.
Yes, and therefore, sinamahan nyo siya sa PAGCOR. So, itatanong ko pa po yun mamaya. Yes, SP Pro Temp, you still have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Kailan na natapos yung serbisyo mo sa Pogo?
Yung technical work ho namin, Your Honors, immediately terminates upon issuance of their license. Tapos so,
When was this?
like yung sa Lucky South 2021 nila nakuha yung lisensya nila. Ang ganun din ho yung sa Hongsing naman 2021 if I'm not mistaken no nakuha nila. 21. So, Your Honors, what happened is after that nire-request na lang ho nila ako kung wala meron silang sulat na natanggap once a month or every other month. They request that if I can visit them and read on the papers that they receive, and then they pay us on a man-hour basis.
So wala na kayong connection sa Pogo as early as 2022?
Yes, Your
Or
Honor.
2021?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eh, kung kayo, bakit kayo nirereklamo noong July 2023 na hindi ninyo binabayad yung taxes ng Lucky South sa PAGCOR?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
Huh?
I have the same question, Your Honors.
What do you mean?
Hindi rin ko alam bakit. Most likely, it's part of what they want to do, Your Honor.
So anong
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. Most likely, it's part of what?
Yung operational, I don't know what they wanted to do, ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Cunanan.
Anong proof mo?
Yes.
Na nagbayad ka sa PAGCOR? Nagbayad ka ba sa PAGCOR?
Your Honors, hindi naman ho all the time ako na kapag ho hindi,
Pinagkatiwalaan nga sa yung pera eh.
pag yung nga kung sinasabi
Ni
nila,
Cassie
meron ho
Leong.
silang hindi lang sila makapunta, but they were the ones who's paying, Your Honors. Pag hindi lang ho sila makapunta ng Manila and they need somebody to help them pay, then we assist them, but we do not handle it, Your
Pero ang
Honors.
sabi nga ni Cassandra Leong, na binigay daw sa yung pera, pero hindi mo nga binayad. Yun ang sinabi ni Chairman Altenco.
Which we
SP
deny,
Pro
Your
Temp,
Honors.
excuse me, Mr. Cunanan, if I may
Yeah.
interject, could we ask Chair Tenco, ano exactly yung sinabi ni Cassie Leong at ni Attorney Roque sa inyo tungkol kay Mr. Cunanan?
Nung ulitin ko lang po, nung himingi po ng appointment noon si former Secretary Roque, dumating po sila sa akin tanggapan. Ang kasama po ni Secretary Roque ay si a certain Cassandra Leong. At yun po ang dinudulog niyang matulungan sapagkat ang problema po ni Binibining Cassandra Leong is yung authorized representative nila supposed to be na nakamarka naman doon na si Ginoong Cunanan ay hindi daw po binabayad yung pinagkakatiwala nilang pera kay Mr. Cunanan sa PAGCOR.
So yan po yung averment nga ni Miss Cassie Leong.
Opo. At
Pero
nandun po kaharap yun din po
sinasabi
sinasabi.
din yon ni Attorney Roque na yun yung agenda nung meeting
Opo,
pagpunta sa inyo.
tinutulungan po si
So pareho
Cassandra.
po yung sinasabi ni Miss Cassie Leong at ni Attorney Roque na ang problemang dinudulog sa PAGCOR ay si Mr. Cunanan ay hindi ibinayad sa PAGCOR yung kinolektang buwis ng
Opo,
Lucky South 99.
Kulang po $500,000 US dollars. Yeah.
Dollars po, 500,000 US dollars.
$500,000 US dollars po. Ang totoo po, sabi pa ni Cassandra Leong sa amin noon, ni Attorney Fernandez, habang nag-uusap kami, meron na pong nagbabayad sa isang land bank branch sa account ng PAGCOR na partial payment. Kaya po pag-alis po ni former Secretary Roque at ni Ms. Cassandra Leong, inatasan ko po si Attorney Fernandez, paki-verify mo nga kung totoo yung sinasabi nilang may nagbabayad. And bumalik po sa akin si Attorney Fernandez, totoo pong may partial payment na ibinayad sa Land Bank, account po ng PAGCOR, nagkakahalaga po ng $203,000.
Sino po ang nagbayad ng ganung partial payment?
Alam niyo po, pwede naman kayo mag-walk-in lang sa Land Bank, basta ibigay niyo lang yung account number ng PAGCOR, hindi na po natin makikilala kung sino nakapagbayad.
So may nag-partial payment po dahil hindi $203,000.
Ang totoo po, yung balanse, hiniling po ni Binibining Cassandra Ong na kung maaari pay overtime. So, nabayaran naman po yung balanse na halos 300,000 po or a little less than $300,000. Overtime po nabayaran yun.
Okay po, pero
Kaya po
yes.
walang naging utang si Lucky South sa amin. Dahil requirement po yun, himihingi po sila ng pagkakataon din na ma-issuehan muli ng bagong lisensya dahil mag-i-expire na po 2020 po nung na-issue nung nakarang administrasyon So mag-i-expire na po. Kaya sabi namin, hindi maproproseso yan kung meron kayong pagkakautang sa PAGCOR.
Basta po ang malinaw, nung araw na pumunta si Cassie Leong, accompanied by Attorney Roque sa opisina nyo, ang nirereklamo nilang dalawa, nilang pareho na problema ay may perang dapat ibinabayad si Mr. Cunanan para sa Lucky South 99 na hindi niya ibinayad sa PAGCOR. Pareho silang dalawa ang yun ang sinasabi sa inyo.
Maliwanag po yun. At ang
Alright,
totoo,
salamat
tinanong ko po, sino po ba si Mr. Cunanan? Dahil hindi ko naman po siya kakilala. Ang sagot po ni Binibining Cassandra Leong, siya po ang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99. Nung binerify ko naman po, siya nga yung si Mr. Dennis Cunanan ang talagang nakalistang authorized representative ng Lucky South 99.
Salamat, Chair Tenko. SP Pro Tem?
Thank you, Madam Chair. So wala ka nang hinahawakan na pogo ngayon?
Wala na po, Your Honors.
Ano, umalis ka lang o tinanggal ka ng mga kliyente mo?
I left, Your Honors.
Why did you leave?
Yun nga po, meron na pong bagong guidelines yung PAGCOR which requires the authorized representative to be as liable as the key officers. And we're not any part of their operations. We don't know what they're doing after. So it's not anymore tenable, Your Honors, to be part of such work.
Alright, going back to sa testimony ni Chairman Al, according to Cassie Leong, binigay sa iyo yung pera. So you deny it na binigay sa iyo yung pera at hindi mo binayad?
Yes, Your Honors. Yung lahat ng naging accountability namin, Your Honors, were properly documented. And
Kasi sabi ni
it was submitted to them.
Cassandra Ong, binigay daw sa iyo yung pera, pero tinakbo mo raw yung pera, hindi mo raw binayad.
It's not true, Your Honors.
Ha?
It's not true, Your Honors. Everything that were entrusted to us were properly documented, Your Honors.
How did you know Cassandra Leong? How did you get to know her?
Your Honors, when they were talking to us, Ms. Han Gao introduced her to me as one of the authorized representatives supposed to be. Siya, si Han Gao, yung Charlotte, at saka a certain Xiang Ji, yung kanilang chairman. Nung hindi makarating yung Xiang Ji, yung chairman nila dahil nasa Singapore at that time masabi nila, ako ang pinalito nila as authorized representative.
How did you know her?
Si
Sino
Char-
nagpakilala sa'yo?
Yung Charlotte Sia po, sir.
Sino si Charlotte Sia? Yung dalawang yung Porak?
Yeah, hindi sir, sa Porac po, tama. Sa Porac po siya na interpreter na apparently when I saw her sign the documents, she was the designated president at that time when she was signing documents for Lucky South for their service provider contract.
Hindi kasi nagtataka ako, bakit bigla ka pumasok dito sa Pogo industry. Bakit naging masyadong attractive ka dito sa mga Pogo industry?
We were not really attracted, sir. What happened is we were looking for an office in Angeles at that time because we have a client who wanted us to help them with their cityhood campaign in Central Luzon. So maganda pong area, taga Pampanga rin po ako, maganda yung area ng Angeles for our operations. And then, itong mga to, inintroduce sa amin na investor nga po dun sa area kung saan kami tumitingin ng office, sa Porac. At sabi, they're looking for somebody who can help them work on things. So, dun ho nag-umpisa yun, sir.
Okay, during the duration ng ikaw ang consultant nito mga Pogo na ito, was there a time na nakapag-negotiate ka, nakapag-bargain ka sa Pagcor, halimbawa?
No, sir. I didn't even have any chance to go to...
Kasi kailangan ng lisensya ng Pagcor. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Wala ka bang kinakausap na tiga Pagcor?
OGLD lang
Para
po yung kausap.
expedite yung lisensya ng
Wala ko
mga
kaming
Pogo?
ganun, Your Honors. Kasi, ang kausap lang ho namin nun, security guard. Pag may kailangan kaming hingin na documents na nakukuha namin sa baba, sa
Security
ground floor.
guard?
Yes, Your Honors. Doon nila iniiwan. Kuwari, OGLD lang po yung kausap namin.
Bakit security guard?
Hindi, iniiwan ho nila sa security guard, Your Honors. Kasi may pandemic noon, bawal pumanik sa mga offices ng Pagcor. So, doon sa security guard sa baba, doon namin nire-receive lahat ng documents. So, doon din namin po pinapareceive yung mga documents.
Alright. Aware ka ba sa mga kasong final against you ng CIDG, ng PAOK?
Yes, Your Honors.
What is the status of cases?
We're waiting. We just received the complaint, Your Honors, and we're working on our affidavit on it.
Why do you think that they filed the cases against you?
There was actually, Your Honors, there was no allegation there. It was just mentioned that I was an authorized representative. When
Alright.
the
Are you-
appointment-
Mr. Chair, wala bang pending na kaso against Mr. Cunanan? Kasi alam ko meron din dating ban, hindi siya makaalis ng bansa. So, resolved na ba yun?
They are still ongoing, Madam Senator.
So, are you helping in a capacity as a lawyer, as a liaison to all of these companies? Are you a lawyer, sir?
No, Your Honors.
So ba't opisina mong nilapitan para mag...
Hindi ho nilapitan, Your Honors. Nagkatagpo kami ho dun sa lugar kung saan kami naghahanap ng office. Tapos nandun din sila, dun sila nag-invest. Dun
So,
sa
is
may
your
par-
company a realty company? Is it a consulting company?
Consulting company, Your Honors.
I'm sorry, what?
Consulting po. Consulting company. Oh.
Kasi
Yun ho
it
talaga
seems
din
like you tend to attract certain mindset and group of individuals. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Senator Grace. Mr. Cunanan, are you the same Dennis Cunanan who was a former TLRC Director General?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have been sentenced by the Sandigan Bayan for graft to 10 to 18 years for malversation.
We have, Your Honors, which is still pending in the Supreme Court right now, but we have more acquittals that came out, Your Honors. out of
Excuse me?
that. We have more acquittals, Your Honors. There
You were
three
acquitted? Di ba you were
Yes, sir.
convicted?
Meron pong conviction at may acquittal.
Oh.
May 9 acquittals po, Your Honors.
Because, I cannot forget you. Alam mo bakit? During the time, or when I was my second term as senator, when I was already embattled, I attended a Blue Ribbon committee hearing, and you were present there. I remember very vividly. And you told that committee that I'm sorry, this is off topic already. Inaano ko lang yung credibility ditong taong ito.
All right, SP Pro Tem.
At sinabi mo, tinawagan kita. And nung tinatawagan kita, sinabi mo raw, I am endorsing an NGO para dun mo ilagay yung pondo ko. I have never called you and I do not know you from Adam. At ang sinabi mo ron sa committee noon, na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko. Napakasinungaling mo. Naalala mo yun? Naalala mo yung sinabi mo? Na na-recognize mo lang yung boses ko? Hindi naman kita kilala, hindi naman kita tinawagan? Naalala mo?
Yes, Your Honors.
Tinawagan ba kita?
If I can recall at that
You
time,
just
Your
saved
Honors.
your skin.
No, Your Honors. If I can recall at that time, it was Ben Hurluy who called, not me.
It was?
It was Ben Hurluy, Your Honors, not me.
You said before that committee that it was my voice. You assumed that it was my voice. Kaya hindi kita makalimutan eh. Napakasinungaling mo. I'm sorry for bringing this up, Madam Chair. Tinetest ko lang yung credibility nitong taong ito eh.
It's alright, SB Pro Temp. Salamat po. We really want to get to the bottom of your involvement in this, Mr. Cunanan, itong usapin ng POGOs.